anyway, for today's lesson, what we're going to do, all right, let's go ahead and listen to Cappadocia, Ponte Vecchio, Neftashvari, and we'll fill in the blanks. Okay? Here we go.
Love to go there. Actually, when I was younger, I went to Cappadocia in Turkey.
Facts, it was built in
1345.
Perfect, you guys. You guys are great. Excellent.
1080-20 feet.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
That
Height
sounds interesting.
in Korea.
That's a great, yeah, fair enough. I think I know what you're talking about. That's a cool place.
How's college the place where Angel live?
Can you tell me something that you celebrate in your country?
We celebrate Spring Festival, Dragon Boat Festival.
Number 3?
How long have you been in the U.S.?
Perfect. How long have you been in the U.S.? Great.
But in the evening, I'm very, very hungry and I love to eat at the evening. What about you?
Are there any movies at home?
That's the same question. I already answered that.
On Friday.
That would be the easiest way. On Friday. Yeah, and that's very clean.